Making money online is just the way you make money in the real world or just in general, and that is by literally providing value in trade of money. So you give somebody something or value, some sort of value, then they give you money. The only thing with online is now you're just doing it digitally. You're just making the money online on the internet. So in terms of making money online, I would say there are 3 parts. Of course, there are a million parts, very brilliant parts, but according to me, I'll just say there are 3 parts. The first one is providing or selling a product. This one is like common sense. It's almost like the basics of it. It's like if you want to make money, you provide a product, then people pay you for this product. And the product you provide could either be physical or digital. And there are many, business models that revolve around this. There are things like e-commerce, drop shipping, whatever. But the whole idea is you basically provide a product. So let's assume it's like a pen. You take your pen, that's the product, and you sell it to the consumer. So this could be either like through drop shipping or through like your own merch or whatever. You sell it to them, they pay you money, then you make money. That's how you make money. Then also you could sell digital products as well. So physical products are things like the pen, your t-shirts, your sneakers. Or digital products are things like courses, templates, ebooks, stuff like that. They are digital, like you can't hold them physically. So but the things that digital products are significantly easier to make because like they are digital and stuff. The concept is still the same thing. People pay you money and you give them access to your course. They pay you money. You give them your ebook. They pay you money. You give them the templates or whatever. So that's for the product side. The next route or the next way or whatever is services. So the first one that I talked about, you sell products and people give you money in return for those products. Now you offer services and people pay you for these services. Now in real life, an example in real life is something like cutting hair. So you go to the barber barbs your hair, you pay him money. That's a service. Like it's not a product, it's a service. So in the digital world, that's online, there are many services you could offer. Just a few I'll just list off my head: copywriting, video editing, like helping people run Facebook ads or just run ads in general, thumbnail designing, graphics designing, script writing, content writing. There are so many services you could offer. So how you go is you approach customers, but the thing about services is usually the customers are like businesses. So something like copywriting, for example, you approach a business or some dude and be like, hey, I will help you write your copy. I'll help you write like copy. If you don't know what copywriting is, copy is basically like if you go to any website, go to Apple's website, for example, you want to buy the latest iPhone, all the text you see there, talking about the iPhone, that it has the latest A15 chip, whatever, it has like 50 gigs of RAM, all those stuff there is called copy. It's just like persuasive writing to encourage you to buy stuff. So you go to this guy and be like, hey, I'll help you write your copy, and both of you negotiate a price and you will help him write a copy, you pay you money. So that's basically for the service route. So for the first one, products, you sell products. So this could be courses, digital products, physical products like shirts, merch, whatever. Services, you offer services to people. So you could be a graphics designer, video editor, whatever. Then there's now another section that will classify as others. So in this other section, I'll still break it down to another 2 again. So the first one in this other section is going to be like forex, because forex, I don't know too much about forex. I'm just more enlightened on the product or services side. So for things like forex, I don't exactly know what you do there. I just know it's like trading and stuff. Then crypto, forex, things of that nature. So this is what I would say, because this ones you can't necessarily, I don't know if you're really like selling it to somebody. I don't really know how they work, but they definitely can make you money online, and people have become really, really, really fucking rich from doing that. Then the other section the second section in this other section is the parts that I would advise most people to not go to, because these ones are not really ways to make money. Like, yes, you can make money from them, but they are not like very, very smart ways. And it just like few examples of this is stuff like surveys, stuff like betting, like things like that. Definitely you can make money online. And you show me some dude who has won like 50 billion from, they played one magic bet and he won like 20 million and he's flexing or whatever. Like, I'm not trying to argue it's impossible, but the thing once you realize is those are just very inefficient ways of making money. Very, very inefficient ways, especially the betting stuff. Know that these companies that designed that are behind all these betting and stuff, like they literally make profits when you lose. So just think about that. So for them to be in business, they need you to keep losing. They need you to lose for them to be in business. So you just like kind of keep that in mind. So I'm not trying to say they don't work, but I'll just recommend like don't do it. Like it's not worth your time, in my opinion. So those are the 3 ways you make money. You either sell a product, you either sell a service, or you do stuff like crypto or trading or whatever. Of course, there are a million other routes. It goes a lot more deeper and all that, but this is just like the basics, the fundamentals of how you make money online. Now, if you want to start making money online, just make sure you click the first link in the description. Now in this video, we just went over the like basics, summary of how to make money online and stuff. We didn't really go a little deeper. So definitely I'll make another video in the future of some of the best business models that beginners can start in 2024. And if that video has already come out, it will be on the screen. If it hasn't come out already, make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned, because that video will be out very soon. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated.